Hi everyone. In our last video, we discussed about what is S corporation and we have covered some basic aspects of the S corporation. Today, we will discuss about the eligibility criteria for creating the S corporation. Okay. So what is the eligibility requirement for S corporation? First of all, it has to be a domestic company. When I say domestic company, it means it has to be a US company. That's the first condition. Second condition is only these are the eligible shareholders. Who are the eligible shareholders? Individuals, everyone. There are certain trusts, states, tax exempt organizations. So these are eligible to be the shareholders of the S corporation. Eligibility, guys, is a very important topic in the S corporation. It's very simple. It's nothing complicated, nothing twisted. In that case, you will get straight away questions on that case. These are the brownie points, guys. Don't lose them. Okay. Two conditions we have done. First, the S corporation has to be a domestic company. Second condition, who could be the eligible shareholders? Individual, certain trust, state, tax exempt organization. Who could not be the shareholders? That means ineligible shareholders. Ineligible shareholders. In this, partnership form. Partnership. So that means, everyone, in S corporation, partnership cannot be the shareholders. Partnership cannot be the shareholders. Corporations. Corporations cannot be the shareholders. Non-resident cannot be the shareholders. Lastly, foreign companies. These are the ineligible shareholders. That means you can't induct them in your S corporation. So this is more like a no-no list for you. No-no list for you. Fourth condition. We have done three conditions. First, S corporation has to be a domestic company. Second, eligible shareholders. Third are the ineligible shareholders. Fourth condition, everyone. Number of the shareholders. How many number of shareholders it can have? It can have, everyone, up to 100 shareholders. Mind it, the condition is up to 100. That means if any S corporation is having 10 shareholder, is that okay? Yes, that's okay. If any S corporation is having 101, no, then it's not allowed. Then it's not allowed. Guys, here they will again confuse you. Sometimes they will give you less than, sometimes they will give you more than. No. In the MCQs, this is where they confuse you. But here, mind it, it's up to 100 shareholders, everyone. That means these are the maximum number of shareholders you can have it. So four conditions we have done. Domestic company, eligible shareholders, ineligible shareholders, number of shareholders. One note I want you to write here, everyone. Family members are considered as one shareholder. Family members are considered as one shareholder. Okay, let's try a few questions here. Let's say, everyone, I'm just doing one illustration here. Let's say there are 99 individuals, 99 unrelated individuals, everyone. Plus, there is a husband also, there is a wife also. Can this be a S corporation? Should it be not 99 plus 1 plus 1, that means 101? No. they are considered as one. They are considered as one. So that means everyone, 99 plus 1, that means 100. That means it can be S corporation. It can be S corporation. No problem. Guys, I'll keep writing the examples. You please copy this. Whenever you want this, you stop the video and you just take a note of that also. If you want, I can share these notes also online. So you can drop me on the comment box. Want me to upload this lectures, whatever I'm writing, these notes. If you want me to update that, please drop it on the comment box. I'll update that as well. Next is everyone, 98 unrelated shareholders, everyone, plus husband, plus wife, plus another non-resident. Now, can it be the S corporation? On the face of it looks yes, because it is 98 plus this is 1 plus 1. So ideally it is okay, but no. We discussed in the ineligible category, everyone, if you see here, non-residents are not eligible. They are no. So that means everyone, they are not considered. They are not going to be the shareholders. Hence, even if it is 100, does not matter. You cannot be S corporation, because you are inducting any ineligible shareholder. So not allowed, not going to be. Okay. Let's say 98 unrelated individuals plus any state plus foreign company. Can it be S corp? Individuals are allowed, state is allowed, but foreign company is not allowed. Hence, it cannot be S corporation. The number is fitting 100, does not matter. Since it is S corporation, you cannot be S corporation. Since it is the foreign company, you cannot be S corporation. Okay. If instead of the foreign company, guys, if I do domestic company, again, no. If you remember, we discussed here, it is including corporations. When I say corporation, I mean here both corporation, domestic also and foreign companies also. So corporation cannot be. However, this is S corporation. Another S corporation can be your shareholder. That is allowed. Another S corporation can be your shareholder. Otherwise, no one. Otherwise, no one is going to be there. Okay. Guys, here we are saying that domestic company cannot be your shareholder. This point and this point, which we have done, domestic company. Please don't get confused in that case. In the first point, we are saying that S corporation should be the domestic company. This is the condition number 1. Fourth condition, we are saying it, any of your shareholder, that should not be the domestic, that should not be the company. Even domestic company. Okay, please don't get confused. This first condition is about the S corporation being the domestic company. In this condition, we are talking about company, any shareholder being the domestic company. Hopefully this is okay. If you have any question, let me know that. Okay. So we have done how many conditions we have done? We have done 4 conditions in that case. First, we have done, first it has to be a domestic company. Second, it is going to be eligible shareholder. Third is going to be ineligible shareholders. Fourth, we have done the maximum number of the shareholders, which is going to be 100. Next condition, everyone, which is the 5th condition, everyone. S corporation can issue only one class of stock. You can issue only one class of stock. So that means, everyone, S corporation cannot issue equity share capital plus preference share capital. No. You can issue only one class of stock. You cannot issue multiple class of stock. However, differentials in voting is allowed. Differentials in voting is allowed. What does that mean, everyone? It simply means that the company as corporation is issuing equity share capital class 1, where class A, let's say, where you don't have the voting rights. In the class B, you are issuing class B where you have the voting rights. That's okay. That is something which is allowed. That should not be a problem. Here this is allowed. Hopefully this criteria is okay. Hopefully every conditions are okay, guys. Let's quickly revise what we have done. We have done 5 eligibility criteria. Number 1, S corporation has to be a domestic company. Number 2, eligible shareholders. We have done individuals, certain trust, state, tax exempt organization. These are eligible shareholders. Then we discuss about the ineligible shareholders. We discuss about the corporation, partnership, foreign company, domestic company, non-resident. These guys cannot be the eligible. These are not the eligible shareholders. That means you cannot induct them in your S corporation. Then we talk about the number we discussed. It is going to be maximum 100 shareholders you can have it. If you're having less than that, that's absolutely okay. Last we discussed, everyone, the class of asset. You can issue only one class of stock, so you cannot have the multiple class of stock. However, the difference in the voting rights are something which is okay. Guys, as I discussed earlier also, this is a very important topic and definitely you should get a couple of questions on that. So please revise it carefully. It's just a brownie points. Don't get confused by attempting the questions. So please do it carefully and don't lose these points. All right. I'll see you in the coming videos. Thank you so much.